Good afternoon, students. So, based on our discussion related to the topics biological classification and the topic structure of prokaryotes, in biological classification, we specifically discuss about the kingdom Monera. So, let's discuss about this worksheet which I sent you on Wednesday. So, let's discuss first question, which is which one of the following is not an inclusion body found in prokaryotes? So if I can show you from the NCERT, it is written inclusion bodies which stores the material, some excretory waste and are not bound by any membrane. These include phosphate granules, cyanophacin granules and glycogen granules and even gas vacuoles. These are the inclusion bodies, whereas the polysome is the complex of ribosome and mRNA, and it is not included in the inclusion body. So answer is polysome. So from this you can answer the second one. The answer is the polysome, a complex of ribosomes with single strand of RNA. Third one is bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. You have to tell the wrong statement. So first one is absolutely right. Second one is the wrong statement, that villi and fimbria are mainly involved in motility of bacterial cell. Again, if I can show you here, you can see here it is written villi and fimbria are surface structure, but they do not play a role in motility. So here it is written they play important role in motility. Rest all are correct. So second one is wrong. Third one, gas vacuoles are present in certain green bacteria. It's not mismatch. It's correct. Protist eukaryotes correct. Methanogens, which are archaebacteria, comes under prokaryotes. Absolutely right. But animal cell do not have large central vacuoles. They have many small vacuoles. So this is the wrong option. If you talk about the fifth one, which of the following compounds provide sticky character? So you should know glycocalyx, which is the outermost covering of the bacterial coat. It is the correct option, that is the glycocalyx. So glycocalyx is the correct option here, which provide the stickiness. Then the sixth one, which of the following is not a feature of plasmid? You should know plasmid is transferable, it can replicate, means it can make its own copies. It is a double stranded and it is circular DNA. So here transferable is correct, circular structure is correct, independent replication it is correct, but it is not single stranded, it is double stranded. So this feature is wrong. If I talk about the seventh question, here the cocci, bacilli, vibrio and spirilla are the shapes of bacteria. So the answer is the shape. We discussed that there are different shapes like coccus round, bacillus rod shape, vibrio comma shaped, spirilla are the spiral shape. So the answer is the shape. In case of the eighth question, the question is select the incorrect statement with respect to bacteria. So if I can show you here, in chapter 2 page number 19 it is written, though the bacterial structure is very simple, they are very complex in behavior, okay, and they show most extensive metabolic diversity. Here it is written, okay, so they include vast majority of bacteria are heterotrophs, it is written, okay, some of them are autotrophs and some of them are, it is written here. So but if you will check this, it is written select the incorrect statement with respect to bacteria. So they may be photosynthetic or autotrophic, it is correct. Bacterial structure is very complex, it is wrong. So let me again read this statement which is given here. Though the bacterial structure is very simple, they are very complex in behavior. Structure is simple, complex, they are complex in behavior, but the here option is bacterial structure is very complex. So this is the wrong option, rest all are correct. They show vast majority of bacteria are heterotrophs, show most extensive metabolic diversity, absolutely right. Some of them are photosynthetic or some of them are chemosynthetic. So it is absolutely correct. So third option is wrong. If you talk about the ninth question, choose the incorrect statement from following. Ribosome, yes, they help in protein synthesis. Villi do not play a role in motility, absolutely fine. Inclusion bodies are bounded by membrane. Now this is wrong. Here it is written, these are not bound by any membrane. So it is written any membrane, it is written, so you should know that these are not bound by any membrane. So inclusion bodies are bounded by membrane. This is the wrong option. So third one is the option. 10th, in eubacteria, cellular component that resemble eukaryotic cell is the plasma membrane. When I discussed about the structure of the eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cell, that the cell membrane is the only characteristic of prokaryotes which matches with the eukaryotic cell. So the answer is plasma membrane. 11th, when we discussed about the R.H. Whittaker's classification, I told you that R.H. Whittaker classified the organisms into different categories on the basis of certain characteristics. Like it was the nucleus, the second was the body organization or cellularity, third one was the cell wall, and fourth one was the nutrition. So mode of reproduction was not the criteria under the R.H. Whittaker's classification. So the answer is mode of reproduction. In 12th, single-celled eukaryotes are included in, you should know, I discussed in R.H. Whittaker that all the unicellular organisms come under kingdom Protista. Next one, membrane-bound organelles are absent in. We know that membrane-bound organelles are absent in prokaryotes. You should know that which one is the prokaryote. Like Chlamydomonas, it's the eukaryotic algae. Saccharomyces is the yeast. It is the fungus and it's eukaryote. Plasmodium is the malarial parasite, so it is eukaryote, but Streptococcus, it is a bacteria. So here in the Streptococcus, membrane bound organelles are absent. Next question is, true nucleus is absent in. Now you should know the Anabaena. Anabaena is the blue-green algae, so of course the true nucleus is absent in Anabaena. Rest all are the eukaryotes. One is the yeast, another are the algae, and no, mucor is the fungus. Rest all are the that is the algae. Like Volvox is the algae. So Anabaena is the blue-green algae which comes under the prokaryotes. So here the true nucleus is absent. In the last question, it was mentioned which among the following is not a prokaryote. Now you should know that Nostoc is a prokaryote. It's a blue-green algae. Mycobacterium, again it's a bacteria prokaryote. Saccharomyces is the yeast which belongs to fungus and it's eukaryote, whereas Oscillatoria is the blue-green algae. So again it's a prokaryote. So the answer is the Saccharomyces, as it is the yeast and yeast is the eukaryote. So here there are the 15 questions. So very important one, I discussed the previous year question, so you can see that how from the topic biological classification, specifically the topic Kingdom Monera and the structure of the prokaryotic cells, every year 1 or 2 questions used to come. So revise this worksheet again and read the topics Kingdom Monera from the biological classification, all the classification systems, and the structure of the prokaryotic cell. So next week we will start with the components of the eukaryotic cell from the chapter 8. Thank you.